To maximize the efficiency of your heating and cooling system, you'll want to address a couple of basic maintenance aspects. Today we're in Vacaville with Diamond Certified expert contributor Gil Medrano of All Weather Heating and Air Conditioning to learn more.
Okay, so today I would like to talk to you about the importance of maintaining your heating and air conditioning system. As a homeowner, the most important thing you can do is to replace your filter on a regular basis. Filters are supposed to be replaced every month. So as a tip, what I tell my customers is when they get their utility bill, check your air filter and replace it as needed. Now the other thing that needs to be done is to have your system serviced by a qualified contractor every year. Your furnace needs to be tuned up annually, as well as your air conditioning system. On the heating side, we're checking the gas pressures, making sure the gas pressures are accurate to make sure that the system is burning properly and safely. We're checking to make sure that there's no gas leaks and that there's no carbon monoxide leaks. We're cleaning the burners, we're cleaning the fan motors, and cleaning the indoor coils. These things are required to maintain efficiency. When these systems are not maintained, the debris builds up internal to the system where you can't see it. It plugs up and restricts the airflow and can cause costly repairs which are unnecessary. Not to mention the fact that the efficiency of your machine drops dramatically, which will of course cause your utilities to increase. On the air conditioning side, we're going to keep that outdoor unit clean, keep those coils clean, keep those fan blades clean, and check and tighten electrical connections. This is also important to maintain efficiency and to minimize costly repairs. Keeping the electrical system tight and secure can also prevent potentially dangerous electrical shorts and or arcing, which can occur from the electrical being not tightened properly.
To learn more from local top-rated companies, visit our Diamond Certified expert reports at experts.diamondcertified.org.